I live my life one day at a time. But it was in that letter that my heart stopped beating. When you find these lines, I will have already left the region. At first, the moments we spent together were only a mask, used to overcome my personal difficulties. But with time, I started to find new feelings. So please forget about me and move on with your life. No matter how many times I read it, the words are still hard to memorize. I don't know what to think. She lied, cheated, manipulated me. All of this just to accomplish her goals. As for me, I can only think in everything that happened between us. All of my efforts were for nothing. Nothing. I love you. I always have. You will always be the most important person in my life. Lost words as tears on rain.